thought, let me just hop on here to tell you guys a little bit more about what brows suits me. Okay, so Jackie, I don't know what to do. I wanted to make sure it looks natural. Let me stop you right there. If you're looking for very natural looking brows, then I am your artist. Okay, my signature style is I want to take your natural brow and just enhance it. Hence the name Restoring Beauty for the Academy, is I just want to restore what you already have. So if you're looking for those very thick, bold, dark type of looking brows, dense, that's not my type of look. I always want to make it look soft, but there are different types of procedures that you can go for. So if you want a very natural looking brow, I highly recommend the microblading, which is just the hair-like strokes. And that one doesn't necessarily give you a makeup finished look. So if you're going out for an event, you might still have to add a little bit of shading, which I think is fine, you know, for the ladies going out. So if you want to wake up in the morning and still look natural and beautiful, then microblading is your go-to. However, if you have very oily skin, I don't recommend microblading. I highly recommend the ombre powder brows, which is just as beautiful. That's the one with the shading. There's no hair stroke, so it's a machine with a little tiny needle, and it just creates pixels across the whole brow. So it goes from dark to light. Let's say you don't like that at all, then we can do the intense combo. So we can do like a few hair strokes on the inner brow with the rest of the brow with powder, or just hair-like strokes across the whole brow with a bit of shading on the inner brow. So that's more for the oiliest type of skin types, and you might even need slightly more touch-ups compared to a client who's got a dry skin. But the most popular procedure is the combo brows, and that's the one with the hair strokes with the shading on the inner brow. So that just gives it a bit of a pop, and it looks really pretty. And it's especially for those clients, like I say, who have a slightly bit more oily skin, or the clients who almost don't have any hairs on the tails and all their hairs sit on the inner brow. So that type of client, or client who I'm completely changing your shape. So I need to fill up some gaps. And yeah, so that it still looks very natural. I think it actually looks even more natural with the shading on the inner brow. So there are 3 different types of procedures. And what you can do is you can send me a picture of your brows, how they look, and I can give you advice as to what I would recommend. And I'll ask you a few questions. Do you have dry skin? Do you have oily skin? Are you on any strong medications? Do you have any allergies, etc.? And then we can take it from there, and then you can make a booking. Okay, I hope that helps a little bit.